Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Beauty Beyond Lifestyle. I hope you all are doing good, and if you are new to my channel, it's me Tanushree. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I post a video. So today's video is all about a product review, and the product is from the brand called MAC. Yes, it is their MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus Makeup Fixing Spray. This is how it looks, the outer packaging, and you get all kind of details on the outer packaging. It's a normal cardboard packaging. Okay, now this is how the product looks like. It's an amazing makeup fixing spray, guys. You can use this in multiple ways, and the best part about this makeup fixing spray is the lock and the unlock system, what it actually has. Let me show you. This is locked here. Okay, so no matter how many times you try spraying it out, it is not going to spray. I mean, the pump is really good what they have provided, and now when you have to spray it out, you just have to unlock it and you can just spray. And this pump, how it sprays, is also really good. So I really like this part about this makeup fixing spray. I haven't seen any other makeup fixing spray like this. Okay, now let me quickly tell you what is the pricing of this. This is priced at 1900 rupees for 100 ml of product quantity. Now it is worth every penny you invest on this makeup fixing spray because it is that great and can be used in so many other ways. Okay, now if you feel that this is expensive, I just want to try the smaller one first. Yes, the mini version is also available. That is priced at 1200 rupees for 30 ml of product quantity. So you can try that first and then invest on the bigger size. Okay, so now let me tell you what it actually does. Obviously, it fixes your makeup by the end of your makeup. Okay, it can be used as a primer as well. So if you don't have a primer, please sprinkle this on your face and it works as a primer as well. Okay, and it even preps your skin for makeup. So if you want to prepare your skin for makeup, then you can obviously sprinkle this on your face and it's ready to flaunt or ready to, you can start doing your makeup. Okay, now this is suitable for all skin types. If you're a dry skin type, then this hydrates your skin. In between makeup, you can sprinkle this on your face and it's going to keep your skin hydrated. If you are from oily skin type, then you can use this. This controls oil production on your face, so it's good. And combination skin, it obviously goes well. Okay, so this is, this is how helpful this makeup fixing spray is. I really love this makeup fixing spray, and I highly recommend everybody to at least try the mini version first and then invest on this. Okay, now this comes in 8 other variants, guys. This is the original one. Okay, this is the original one. I like it. I have to try the other one as well, but as you know, it is quite expensive. I need to save money and then buy. Okay, so this is the original version is available in the mini one, not in other 8 variants. Okay, the other 8 variants I will try. Obviously, if I'm trying it out, then I will let you guys know if you have to invest on that or this. But currently, I like this. You can buy this. Okay, and now it comes in another shimmer variant as well. Okay, so I want to try even that. Let's see if at all I get it. So the shimmer variant, this is the matte variant, guys. The shimmer variant comes with 6 variants. Yeah, comes in 6 other shimmer variants. Yes, if I'm not wrong. And now this comes with 3 years of shelf life. Okay, and I just love this, guys. Just please try this once and you are going to love it. So try it and do let me know in the comment section if you have loved it like me. Okay, now the best part about this makeup fixing spray is, if there is any kind of eyeshadow with you, whether it is a foil eyeshadow, a matte eyeshadow palette or a glitter eyeshadow palette, which really looks well on your palette, the payoff looks really nice when you see the palette, but when you are trying to apply the same eyeshadow on your eyelid, it doesn't show off, right? It doesn't show up on your eyelid. Now this makeup fixing spray works wonders even on that. Okay, so let me quickly give you a short demo on it. So I have this eyeshadow palette with me. This is from Makeup Revolution. I think I have already reviewed about this palette. So here I have a eyeshadow blending brush. Okay, so I'll be taking up this eyeshadow from here. Okay, and I will be just applying it here. Okay, so can you just see? how it comes up with the brush, only the brush. Now there is no much payoff, as you can see. Now I will just apply it, spray a little bit of fixing spray into the brush, like a really less amount of fixing spray into it, and then take the eyeshadow. Okay, and now I'll be placing this. You can see the amazing color payoff what it gives. Do you see that, guys? How beautifully it blends, and you know, it sets also. Okay, so when you are applying this on your eyelid, it automatically sets into matte and doesn't budge off. If there is any eyeshadows, you know, which you know, the fallout is more, you can use the fixing spray and just apply it on your eyelid, and that sets on your eyelid. Okay, so you just can see it yourself how beautifully the color payoff is when you use this fixing spray. Okay, so it's that amazing. Now another tip from me for using this the makeup fixing spray, if you have a dried out gel eyeliner, okay, so I think everybody has it, and once it dries out soon, right? So we all have this phase of life where we purchase a gel eyeliner and it dries off, and you just tend to throw it away because you don't know how to reuse it. So what you can do is, when you have a dried gel liner with you, take a little bit amount on the cap, spray a little bit of fixing spray and use it. You can utilize it, you know. It's going to save your life than throwing up the gel liner. You can use it, and this is the trick. Okay, so this is the other one. Now if you have to sheer down your foundation, for example, you have a high coverage foundation with you and you don't want it on a daily basis, obviously we don't prefer high coverage foundation. So what you can do is, if you have a high coverage foundation, take a little amount of foundation, apply it on your face, sprinkle this makeup fixing spray and then blend it out. It blends out beautifully and it sheer downs the coverage of the foundation as well. Okay, another tip is, for example, you need that high pop of highlighter on your face. Now few highlighters, when you apply, it doesn't show off so much, but if you want, you know, your highlighter has to pop up, it has to look good, your face, you know, should look glowy. What you can do is sprinkle, after finishing your makeup, sprinkle this makeup fixing spray, and after a second or two apply the you know, highlighter again. It's gonna look amazing and you'll have that dewy kind of look. So yes, these are so many other ways you can use this makeup fixing spray. I seriously love it and I will just blindly recommend this. Just go for it, guys. It's an amazing fixing spray. I know I am late to create videos, like I haven't been posting videos since 30 days I believe. There was some issue with my camera which I just couldn't help with. Okay, but from now on videos are going to be back to back, so stay tuned, guys. Diwali makeup look is also going to come up shortly. Okay, so I think there were a few people who wanted me to talk about a makeup fixing spray, a good makeup fixing spray. So this is from the luxuriant variant. Okay, I will be showing up or making a video on affordable makeup fixing spray also, but currently I highly recommend this. That's it, guys. Just love it. If you want, just purchase it. I think there is some discounts going on, maybe on Nykaa or on Purple. I shall give the link in the description box below so that you can go and check it out. Yes, that's it, guys. I hope this video will be helpful to you. So if it is helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay home, stay safe, keep looking gorgeous. Thank you.